Today I'm going to review the MarketPaul software that's being released on JVZoo. So with this software you can create beautiful websites, sales pages, lead pages, webinar pages to drive hordes of traffic and get max leads, sales and affiliate commissions with unlimited email and AI conversion boosters. So this is a one-stop solution for creating fast websites, sales pages, pop-ups, countdown timers, sticky bars, and some unlimited emails. So I'm going to review the full product, and I'm going to go to the actual product and demo you the various features and give a complete picture of how the software works and how it is useful for making money online. So let's go into details. So this is the product we are talking about today. So MarketPaul by .com Paul. It's released on JVZoo. So vendors are Amit Parikh and Ashu Kumar. This is getting released on Thursday, 10th September, 10 a.m. EST. So we're going to do product overview, and we're going to go to members area and see what are the features available. We'll check the sales page. We'll see what are the upgrades available and also what is good and what is not good in this product, and the quick summary of the product to make a decision whether it is useful to buy this kind of product for beginners or somebody who is already doing affiliate marketing to make money using this product. So if you want like latest reviews of these kind of products, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, click on the like button, and if you have any questions or comments in this product review, just put it in the comment section. So let's go into the sales page and see what are the features that are provided by this software. Here we are. This is the sales page. So as we talked before, it enables creating pop-up sales pages, splash pages, and sticky bars with unlimited emails. And also, this is built a profitable online business with all-in-one suite. So once you buy this software, you don't need any other softwares to create all these sales pages and all. So you can sell courses, books, digital products and services through the software. You can build your list and promote affiliate offers, create websites, lead pages, sales pages. Comes with 100 plus specialized done for you templates. So easy to use, fully flexible and free flow drag and drop editor. And basically this software is currently available for one-time offer price. So after the launch period is over, the price is going to go up, and grabbing this kind of software is with so many features is very good. So you can do like so what are the steps you can, once you buy this product, you can select a template and start building your pages, or start from scratch. You can edit and customize. You can just shoot and profit. So we can publish a lot of things. So there is discounts available on commercial plan by using the coupon codes. So these are various features available. So you can go through the sales page and read through all these features. So it's a big list of features available. So let's go to the actual product and demo and see how the product works. So this is the product page for MarketPaul. So once you buy the product, you're going to see the similar functions as for this software. So here you can manage your audience by segments. You can manage your contact list. You can manage right. You can suppress the list, or you can put tags and all, like just like any other email marketing softwares. You can manage all your audience here. in different lists and add some tags and all, and you can create campaigns, right? So you can create campaigns like page campaign, pop-up bars, mail campaigns, or any campaigns. So you can see all campaigns here. There are like 34 campaigns, 3 audience, conversion, sales. So you can track all these things in this software. So here if you see some of the campaigns that are created, right? So you can view the pages. So this is one of the page, say like a webinar sales page and all was created from this software. So like a lot of beautiful templates are available in the application. So I will show you how to create one campaign. So you can create a landing page, pop-up bar, or you can send a mail, a broadcast email and all. So let's take creating a landing page. So my landing page. So we'll get a lot of predefined templates that we can choose from for landing pages. So there are like 167 predefined templates available. So you can choose any of them, or you can create from scratch as well, right? Or you can save some templates and create landing pages from those templates. So if I pick one, right? So this template is loaded now, so we can edit it, right? We can rename this page. So we can go to settings and add some conversion goals if you want more sales or link clicks, lead acquisition, things like that. So we can do here, and so we can edit all these settings. Very simple. What you see, you can directly edit on the page, right? So it's, all the three buttons are loaded. You can set the link for your registration, right? And so you can just edit, and you can do a preview of the page in mobile or desktop, right? And you can save it as a template and then save it. Right, so you can create campaigns like that. So that how you can create number of campaigns for your affiliate marketing, or if you want to conduct some webinars, or you want to send emails and all. And for A/B testing is also there. You can check A/B testing for page, A/B testing for pop-ups and all that. So this and there is analytics. So analytics on how the page is working, right? So how many visitors are there, how many conversions and all that you can see. And like there's a different statistics available, like what kind of operating system they are using, and where the users are coming from and all that. So it's like very detailed software that's coming for one-time price. And also like there's a lot of training videos available, like how to set up a business, how to create a campaign, how to do onboarding, step-by-step video training. So there's like 70 video training tutorials available for the software, and very detailed. So so once you buy this product, or this one-time offer, you're getting plenty of features to run your online business using this software. And so whenever there is a doubt, you can go through the videos, or there is support available who can clarify your doubts if you have any questions and all. So there is a blogging portal available, and community portal is also available. So there's a lot of support and services available, right? So based on this, it's very good features on this software that's providing. So yeah, I think this software is worth buying for this one-time price offer. Currently is available at $47 for unlimited commercial license, and so there's automated system that converts, right? So basically it's a all-in-one marketing platform, right? Get everything max, the maximum conversions, email delivery, leads, lead creation, complete control of your traffic, leads and profits. There is no worry of paying monthly. So because of this one-time offer, there's no need to pay monthly fees and all. Like once you buy it, you get all the software features. So basically, just as I showed you in the demo, so you just select a template to start, edit and customize, just shoot and profit. No installation, no coding or things like that. So these are various softwares available, features of this product. Let me give you a quick summary of this product. So here are the updates available for this product. So this front end comes up with $47 and $67. So the more details on these options are available in my video description. You can go to that video description and check what are the features available in various VRTOs and what are the limitations. So the VRTO one comes with MarketPaul Elite one-time deal at $197. So VRTO 2 comes at MarketPaul Enterprise Standard at $47. VRTO 3 is MarketPaul Agency Suite 200 clients license at $47. And VRTO 4 is MarketPaul Premium Membership one time at $497. So these are different VRTOs available. So you can get started with this one-time offer. Buy the front end, try it for some time. So once you like it, you can go for these upgrades. So what is good? So the software works. It's not like a shiny object or anything. It's a working software. Good training videos are available. Number of templates are available. A/B testing is also there. Conversion tracking. One-time offer. It's a one-time offer. And so you need some time to understand all the features, because a lot of features are there. So user interface can be better, but it's not bad for the price we are paying. So my recommendation is this is worth the money, good training and a lot of templates available. So I'm giving like 8 out of 10 for this product. So I recommend this product for beginners and somebody who is already doing online business. This product is worth for this one-time offer. And as a bonus, I am providing, so whoever buys product through my affiliate link, so I can provide direct training and support for this product. If you have any questions on how to use this product or how to use this, create these sales pages, landing pages and lead pages or campaign tracking, so I can provide direct support and training on this product if somebody buys through my affiliate link. And you can also check, there is a free training resources I added in my YouTube description. So you can also check that to understand some of the strategies of making money online using this product. So those trainings will be very valuable for creating good sales pages and making money, right? So if you like this video, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel to get latest updates on latest product reviews I upload into my channel. So if you like this video, share it with your friends so that they also get benefited from these product offers that are provided in this video. And if you have any questions or if you have any concerns about this product and its features, put it in the comment section. I will be happy to reply to your questions.